Hey there, young artists and producers. I'm Fab Massimo. I'm a DJ and producer based in Berlin. And today we're going to talk about one of the most controversially discussed topics in music production, which is mastering. You see, a lot of people think mastering is some sort of magical, overcomplicated process, but I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be. Most of my releases out there are completely self-mixed and mastered, and while there may be things that other producers or engineers will do differently, I know for a fact that with the right tools and techniques, you can get your tracks ready for distribution. So let's dive in. Now, let's talk about the essential tools that we need when we want to master our tracks. Equalization, very important one to shape the overall tonal balance of our track. Mid-side widening to optimize our stereo image and to also check our mono compatibility. You might also be willing to use some saturation to add some character and some warmth to your overall track and maybe even make it a bit more aggressive. It also helps gluing together everything. Next, and very important, is compression, which we use to reduce the dynamic range of the track, maybe catch some loudness peaks before running the track into the limiter. And the limiter is the final and most important step, which we use to increase the perceived loudness of the track and get it to a decent level where it can easily compete with other commercial releases. While it is possible to achieve passable results with free stuff and stock plugins, I do think having a very good limiter at hand is key to achieving very loud and powerful mixes that are able to compete on the market. So, I've got one of my latest projects right here, which I'm going to use to show you how I master my tracks.